Hello guys, so welcome to the fresh update. I just see some updates from David Onstein about Victor Gyokeres because of the number where Gyokeres go where. Yes, Gyokeres already gets number. Arsenal don't choose number for him because Onstein can say Gyokeres go wear the Arsenal iconic shirts number, and all of us know say that number, not Thierry Henry number 14, because the number 9 we're supposed to do, I think Gabriel Jesus is wearing that number 9. So I did very happy say at the end of the day, they can't give him the number 14 because David Onstein can talk say Arsenal reached total agreement with Sporting Lisbon to sign Victor. Now, the 27-year-old striker don't get permission to travel. So a medical will be on Saturday, which is tomorrow. Gyokeres go do a medical tomorrow. The Swedish international is expected to wear the iconic number 14 shirt as new Arsenal frontman. So that shirt, the shirt man, you get because people they wear that shirt are great people. Yes, I think Auba wore that shirt. Wasn't Auba? Maybe that. I think until Walcott wore that shirt. Like some kind of people wear that shirt, they will say he give them some good luck. Now, away from David Onstein, so Fabrizio Romano, because this is two story in one. Fabrizio Romano second, they give us updates, say Gyokeres and agents Hassan Shetinkaya, they on their way. This report, Fabrizio Romano just dropped on like some 20 something minutes ago. Say exclusive, Victor Gyokeres on his way to London right now with his agent Shetinkaya. Gyokeres set for Arsenal medical as he only wanted to join Ghana's project, saying no to several proposals. Here is Victor and Shetinkaya, who has been key to waive his commission to help his client sign for the club he wanted in crucial moments of the negotiation. Now, the snap picture, so I can show you the picture also with some of them snap as proof. They didn't sign the jets and the snap arm, so it circulates for social media as we speak. Yeah, so as I can drop this updates. Now, even Hand of Arsenal, I saw the report. Hand of Arsenal say when Andrea Berta was brought in London, when Berta received Gyokeres and his family, you say they were in tears. How true that is, I don't really know. But Hand of Arsenal put out that report, say the family were in tears because it's like a dream come true for him, a very big move. If not by money, he go earn more money with Arsenal. You get. If not by prestige, you are playing for one of the top clubs in the world. You get. So it really sweet him. And that shirt when they wear, well, I can't really wait. So I just come back from where I go. I say make I know sleep on this news. Make I still give it an hour to see the thing hot, so everybody will know what's in the up. All right, guys, as we wear.